Prairie Township, Ohio, License and Permit Bond. What is a license and permit bond? A license and permit bond is a form of insurance that protects consumers from harm by guaranteeing businesses will adhere to laws enforced by federal, state, or local government agencies. License bonds are specific to one industry in order to protect the consumer against any potential damages they may incur due to fraudulent practices carried out by the business being bonded. How does a Prairie Township, Ohio, license and permit bond work? Getting a Prairie Township, Ohio, license and permit bond, $15,000, means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligee. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does a Prairie Township, Ohio, license and permit bond cost? Prairie Township, Ohio, license and permit bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required, depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. To learn more, please visit swiftbonds.com.